What if you could get your hands on every premium AI model without paying a single cent? Now, what if I told you it gets even crazier? That same website will actually pay you to use it. It sounds too good to be true, but there's a system where every prompt you run earns you points, and those points turn directly into cash. So, what's the catch? How is this even possible? We're pulling back the curtain on this mysterious platform right now. All right, first things first, let me show you how to sign up. Head over to Yupp AI, and you'll notice there's only one way to create an account, and that's by signing in with your Google account. No email, no password, no complications, just one click with your Google login, and you're in. It's super simple and secure. Now, once you're signed up, the platform requires you to do two quick things before you can start exploring everything it has to offer. You'll need to send one prompt, it can be anything you like, and give a feedback. That's it. And as soon as you complete those two steps, you'll be rewarded with 5,000 tokens, which is the fuel you'll need to start using the platform. After that, you'll land inside the dashboard, and honestly, it looks sleek and modern. Everything's clean and easy to navigate. You'll find the prompt input bar front and center. This is where you write your questions or tasks. Right next to it, you'll see a drop-down where you can select the pro model you want to use. And trust me, there's a massive selection of high-end models that would normally cost serious money elsewhere. To the left of the input box, there's an image icon. Clicking on that enables image generation. So now you're not just chatting with text models, you can create images too. You'll also see a file upload option on the right side, letting you upload documents and use them directly in your prompt. And if privacy matters to you, look out for the lock icon. It lets you decide whether to make your conversation private or public. Lastly, you send your message using the arrow button, just like you would in ChatGPT. It's super intuitive. Next, let me walk you through what really makes Yupp.ai special, the models it gives you access to. We're talking about premium LLMs that are normally behind paywalls. These are categorized into groups like Pro, Max, New, Reasoning, Fast, Live, Images, making it easier for you to find exactly what you're looking for depending on your use case. Some of the biggest names include GPT 4.5 Preview, Claude Opus, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Gemini 1.5 Pro, Llama 3, Mistral, Mixtral Lab, and many more. For image generation, there's Ideogram 1.0, Flux Context Max, Stability AI models, and even Playground V2. It's like having a full suite of all premium AI platforms, but you're not paying a dime. Now let's break down the token system, because this is where a lot of people get confused. When you use any of the top tier models like Claude Opus or GPT 4.5 Preview, each message costs a certain amount of tokens. For example, using Claude Opus might cost around 60 to 90 tokens per message, depending on length and complexity. GPT 4.5 Preview is similar. Image generation typically costs a bit more, around 150 to 200 tokens per image, again depending on the model and output size. So how do you earn these tokens back? Simple, by using the platform. Every time you send a prompt and give feedback, you earn tokens. The more you use it, the more you earn. And once you hit a certain threshold, those tokens actually turn into real money. And yes, you can withdraw that money. If you want to cash out, just go to your wallet section. Yupp.ai allows withdrawals via different payment methods depending on your location. You can withdraw up to $10 per day and up to $50 per month. It's a genuine incentive to keep exploring, testing, and interacting with different models on the platform. Now, to make things even more exciting, I want to show you two real examples. Let's start with the first one. I initially chose Claude Opus 4 and ChatGPT 4.5 Preview to build a simple HTML and CSS minigame, a Guess the Word project. However, at the time, ChatGPT 4.5 Preview showed an error and automatically switched to ChatGPT 4.1 Nano. I asked it to generate the code, and while it did respond quickly with an HTML file, the result was very basic and didn't follow the instructions from the prompt properly. On the other hand, Claude Opus 4 took a bit more time to respond, but delivered a well-structured solution in 3 separate files: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I tested it on CodePen, and the game worked beautifully. The code was clean, organized, and functioned exactly as requested. I was really impressed, and I even submitted positive feedback for Claude Opus 4, which also gave me a nice token reward in return. The second example is all about image generation. I used the Flux Context Max model to generate a high-quality image based on a detailed prompt I wrote. I enabled the image icon, typed out my request, and boom, within seconds, I had a professional-looking AI-generated artwork that I could download and use however I wanted. And yes, I earned tokens for it too. So here's my final take. Yupp.ai is a total gem. It gives you free access to the most powerful AI tools on the market, and it actually pays you to use them. You're not just saving money, you're literally making money while experimenting, learning, and creating. If you found this helpful, like the video, drop a comment, and share it with someone who needs to know about this. This is one of those platforms that flies under the radar, but once you know about it, it's a total game changer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.